Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from any Android device to Samsung Galaxy A15. So first of all guys, I am using my Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 device and I want to transfer data from this device to Galaxy A15. So first of all, I have to go to on Play Store and then install the application called Smart Switch. So this is this application by Samsung Electronics, by the way, Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. So just install this application guys and then click to open. Now after opening, just click continue again. Now allow all the permission here. After that guys, just click to let's go. Now all you guys have to do, just come to your Samsung Galaxy A15 device and then search here for a smart switch. So this is a smart switch application. Just click open on here. Just click on open. Okay. Then click receiver data. Now all you guys have to do, if you want to transfer data from Android device, so just tap on Galaxy or Android, click wireless on both. So as you guys see that we have the invitation from Tech Guy A15. By the way, this is Tech Guy A15 device and accept it. Now as you guys see, all the data is now start transferring from this device to Galaxy A15. Okay. Now we can also transfer everything. If I want everything, so I can click next, but I am going to do custom transfer only. So just click custom and select anything, like I'm selecting the image, and that's it. Now click transfer. So as you see, the images is now transferred from this device to this device. Click done. And then as you see, data transfer result. So that's how we can transfer the data from any Android device to Samsung Galaxy A15. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.